Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check Discord logged in devices. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to check Discord logged in devices. The first thing you like to do is to open your browser and visit discord.com/app. In the website, enter your login credentials and complete any two-factor authentication if enabled. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the Discord homepage. From the homepage, look at the left navigation panel at the bottom. Then click the settings gear icon located next to your profile name, and that's going to walk you right into the settings menu. In the settings menu on the left navigation panel, scroll down and click on devices. So here you have my account, profiles, privacy and safety, family center, authorized apps, devices, connections, clips, friend requests, and down to a lot more. Now click on devices. Of course, this option is located right under authorized apps. On the devices page, you'll see a list of all the devices where your Discord account is currently logged in. Now you see this is Windows and this is Android and this is another Android. Now, each device entry will include details such as the device name or type, example, Windows PC, iPhone, Android, and the location, if available, look at the location, and last active date and time. If you find any unrecognized or unauthorized devices, you can log out of them. So simply click on the X icon that is right next to the device. And once you click on that, that is going to be logged out. If you suspect unauthorized access, just take additional steps to secure your account. And how do you do that? Go ahead and change your password. Go to user settings, go to my account. And once you click on my account, go ahead and click on change password button. Then you can also regenerate backup codes. If you have 2FA enabled, regenerate new backup codes from the two-factor authenticator section, which is here. Enable 2FA if not already enabled. Now, if the devices option is not feasible, ensure you're using the latest version of Discord, as this feature may be rolled out in updates. For more advanced tracking or issues, contact Discord support for further assistance. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.